maybe in a later chapter. In verse 9 of chapter 17, Prabhupada is talking in relationship to Aditi's prayer. He says, when one surrenders unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he surpasses the influence of the illusory energy. Why or how? Because the Supreme Lord, who is fully wise and situated in the heart of everyone, especially in a devotee's heart, he gives one intelligence by which one is sure never to fall into illusion. Now, this is how Krishna actually personally helps his devotee from the vantage point inside his heart. Being situated in everyone's heart, especially his devotees, Krishna is always ready to help his devotees in adversity. Since Krishna knows everything, he knows how things are to be adjusted, and he does the needful to relieve the suffering of his devotee.